Massive quantities of waste heat are generated each day as a byproduct for many industrial processes. While waste heat to power generation is not new, previous technology to capture waste heat on a smaller scale has not been economically viable. This is no longer the case. Electrotherm's Power Plus generator, using organic Rankine cycle technology, generates clean power from low temperature heat that would otherwise go to waste. The Power Plus generator is a robust, low-maintenance power generator with an attractive payback. With the Power Plus generator, waste heat is no longer just a byproduct. It is a valuable resource for emission-free electricity. The Power Plus generator produces clean energy from low-temperature heat. Hot water is its fuel. The Power Plus uses a closed-loop organic Rankine cycle, also known as ORC, to create pressure by boiling the working fluid into high-pressure vapor. The gas turns a twin-screw expander, which drives the generator to produce electricity. The electricity can either be sold to the grid for profit or used on-site to offset power costs. Founded in 2005, Electrotherm was acquired in 2016 by Bitzer, the world leader in compressor technology. Bitzer has more than 3,500 employees and offices in 35 countries. Backed by Bitzer and based in Georgia, Electrotherm's 50,000 square foot manufacturing plant boasts a state-of-the-art test cell and the leading engineers in ORC technology. Electrotherm's distributed power generation uses low-temperature waste heat, which had zero value until now. The Power Plus generator is easily transported, installed, and operated with a small footprint. Additional benefits of the Power Plus include low maintenance with no gearboxes or oil changes, fully automated controls with remote access capabilities, robust twin-screw expander, modular design for ease of installation, and CE certified. Today, Power Plus generators operate around the globe, with more than 100 units shipped, and a fleet runtime comprised of hundreds of thousands of hours in various applications. Electrotherm's generator can utilize waste heat from a number of applications, such as stationary engines, biomass, geothermal, flare elimination, wastewater treatment plants, and more. In locations with higher costs of power, a Power Plus can present an attractive return on investment to the end user. In certain geographies and applications, incentives may apply as well. Learn more about Electrotherm heat-to-power technology and how it can generate revenue for your site at electrotherm.com. Electrotherm and the U.S. Department of Defense have commissioned the first fully integrated stationary engine and waste heat-to-power generator. Electrotherm's Power Plus generator was integrated with a Cummins 1.1 megawatt, 1,500 horsepower engine to increase fuel efficiency and eliminate the cooling load on the engine by replacing the engine's radiator entirely. The Power Plus generator displaces the radiator's capital cost and parasitic load, generating additional power and marking the first radiator with a payback. The Cummins engine runs at approximately 35% efficiency, with considerable unutilized waste heat between the jacket water and the exhaust. By integrating Electrotherm's Power Plus generator, the PTO-driven radiator is eliminated. The small fan in the back has no coil behind it and is only used to draw in combustion air. The waste heat from the jacket water and exhaust gas is diverted directly to the Power Plus. The Power Plus then produces power from the wasted heat and at the same time cools the engine. The system uses organic Rankine cycle technology, also known as ORC, to generate the power. All engines need cooling, and so do ORCs. The ORC's cooling duty is larger than that of the engine, meaning the cooling required for the ORC is greater than what is required to cool the jacket water. Heat can be rejected from the engine's jacket water to the ORC condensing loop, ensuring a safe jacket water return temperature to the engine even when the ORC is turned off. The lower temperature jacket water provides the preheat duty of the cycle, and the high temperature exhaust heat provides the evaporation duty. This configuration maximizes the temperature going into the ORC, which helps to drive a large temperature difference between the hot and cold inputs to the cycle, resulting in greater power output. When replacing the radiator for the engine with an ORC, the technology benefits include additional power generation, increased efficiency, and reduced cooling loads. The Cummins engine originally required a 56 kilowatt parasitic load for cooling, enough power for 30 homes. Instead, the heat goes to the Power Plus, where it generates an additional 60 kilowatts of fuel-free, emission-free electricity. In total, this model of a Cummins engine achieved an efficiency increase over 10%. The elimination of radiator capital costs offsets up to 20% of the entire ORC project costs, delivering a payback of 3 years or less for diesel or heavy fuel oil-fired gensets. Typical engine sites for future applications include prime power production in remote areas, island and developing nations, biogas gensets, including landfill and wastewater treatment plants, natural gas compression stations, and renewable biofuels. Electrotherm, Gulf Coast Green Energy, and a major oil and gas company commissioned the first flare elimination system using heat-to-power technology. Located at an oil well in North Dakota, Electrotherm's Power Plus generator captures the natural gas that would otherwise be flared to generate low-emission electricity and reduce or eliminate on-site flaring. Gas is commonly flared to avoid venting to the atmosphere at sites where infrastructure is not in place to capture and utilize the resource. In North Dakota's Bakken oil fields, nearly 30% of gas is flared. In 2014, North Dakota mandated flare reduction for oil producers over the coming years, backed by significant penalties for non-compliance. Electrotherm utilizes organic Rankine cycle and proprietary technologies to generate power from low-temperature heat. At the oil well, natural gas that would otherwise be flared is instead used to fuel an industrial boiler. The boiler heats water to run the Power Plus generator, which produces clean energy that can offset local loads or be exported to the grid. The boiler precisely controls the fuel-to-air mixture, ensuring clean combustion that results in very low emissions, especially compared to typical on-site generation equipment such as a reciprocating engine. 9 ppm NOx is easily achievable. Additional benefits include accepts raw and untreated gas or fuel gas, provides responsible methane utilization, no capital-intensive engine or turbine-powered generators, and low maintenance.
This is a great application for our product line. We're capturing a natural resource that was previously being wasted in a flare and putting it to work making clean electricity. The product is scalable and modular and very robust, and we see a lot of applications for this beyond the wellhead. Anywhere the gas is being flared, this can be used, such as wastewater treatment plants and landfills.
Learn more about Electrotherm and its waste heat-to-power technology at electrotherm.com. Special thanks to our partners on this project: Gulf Coast Green Energy, the Houston Advanced Research Center, and its environmentally friendly drilling systems program.